Hi, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to get help and training from right inside your TenantCloud account. To get started, log into your TenantCloud account and select the orange Need Help button from the bottom left of your screen. On this screen, you will see any open support tickets that you have opened previously. To sort these tickets, simply use the display drop-down to filter out tickets based on their status of in review, open, resolved, or all. Each ticket on this dashboard page will have a tag in the upper right corner of the ticket showing open, in review, or resolved. When a ticket is first received, it will show that the ticket is just an open ticket. Once the customer relations team member has been assigned the ticket and is reviewing it, it will be changed to in review. Once a customer relations team member has reviewed and responded to your support ticket request, you will receive an email notification and a notification in your TenantCloud account letting you know that we have responded to your ticket. If the customer relations team member has helped resolve your ticket, you can change the status to resolve, and that will then change the ticket to resolved. These tickets are preserved in your account so that if you need assistance with a similar issue in the future, you can quickly and easily refer back to an old ticket in order to recap the information you were given previously. If you have not submitted a support ticket previously regarding what you need assistance with, you can go ahead and select the Visit Help button in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you will have the option to search by a keyword. It's best to use just one or two keywords at a time, such as pay rent or pay online. Or you can select which user you are in order to view the most relevant help categories. To view what help topics are being viewed most in TenantCloud, simply scroll to the bottom of the page and select one of the trending topics. If you are unable to find the information that you need and do not have a prior ticket submitted for what you need assistance with, simply click the green Submit a Ticket button in the upper right corner. This will take you to a simple one-page form to submit a request for help from our customer relations team. There are three types of tickets that you can submit for our customer relations team. Got an idea? If you have an idea to improve the platform, please let us know. Got a problem? If there's something that you think that is not working properly, you would use this ticket type. Need help? If you just need help figuring out something, this is the ticket type to submit, and we're happy to help. Now that you have selected your ticket type, go ahead and enter a short title, and then add a message explaining your idea, problem, or help request with as much detail as possible in 500 characters or less. If you have any screenshots or any documentation that would help our customer relations team better understand your support ticket request, you can upload it via the Arrow Cloud button. Once you are done and ready to submit your Help Center ticket to our customer relations team, click Send. And that's how easy it is to get help and training on TenantCloud.